Weche makata kamano dagi kowacho ni wach ndiko e tich joywecho to kod jogo matiyo e yor orak ne osegole bwo migawo mare.
On the issue of the subject matter, which is waste management, according to the Employment Act, it was said that we are having several centers of employment, and in his own wisdom, Governor decided to consolidate the employment to allow that there should be only one center of employment through Public Service Board. Now, the function was removed from the department, and I had no direct link to what they were doing.
Seugo mane ochiw gi MCA ma East Ugenya Ward Frederick Omoro, ma ema ne chwalo paro mar tiche oko e ofis, ne olieko bende ni Mikaya Gola nyocha osebedo ka nyiso achaya ne od buch County Assembly ma Siano kuom rem chiwo duoko mane idwaro kuome.
The CC member for trade, Mr. Gola, was the head of the department that mismanaged the casual workers and market cleaners program prior to the establishment of the Solid Waste Management Committee, where recruitment was done without an approved policy framework.
Weche mapodo dagi kowacho ni ne otemo kar nyalone kata kobedo ni wach joywecho no ne osegole bwo migawo mare.
As a CCM, I rely on accounting officers, but most of the time, since we are one government, if I was asked by the Trade and Finance Committee, I would want also just to give information. Even if I didn't have it, I would ask for more time to go and seek